Hey guys, today we have PlayStation Access Controller, a highly customizable controller for PS5. Let's open the seal and see what we get in the box. First, we have the manuals. Then the controller himself. Customizable buttons. This is the highly customizable PlayStation 5 controller kit, designed to make gaming more accessible. Let's talk about this controller, while we get good look of it. You can swap thumbsticks between bigger and smaller one, as you see comfortable. Lengthen or shorten the control stick's extension arm, then lock it down at your ideal length for comfort and convenience. If you see this controller exciting, then make sure to drop one like. This controller actually designed especially to make gaming more accessible for players with disabilities. It's get even better when using two of this at the same time. Controller are good, but they looks kind like turtle controller, with the ability of unlimited customization. If you own a PS5, then make sure to try this controller for more immersive gaming experience. Let's try some game with this controller. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching, but don't leave before watching this. The money this channel makes, we are going to donate, and help poor kids, so I just have a small request to you guys. Subscribe if you don't, and share this video with your family and friends. If you guys help me that much, so I can able to help them. Thank you so much.